Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 4x5 reversal film for whiskey shot. And I got this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used to filter cold find edges. Well, this is my subject today. I want to make it some light color illustration from this pre-moody dramatic lighting image. Now let's get started. I have this pencil drawing type image and I want to change the blend mode. First of all, go to, well, I think this is pretty nice. Overlay. Look at the color of the whiskey and the color of the label. This is pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for one image, and also I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then just turn it off to keep it one overlay effect. Then now I'm going to continue to change, luminosity. This is sort of illustration type I usually use, pretty much. Well, I want to keep this luminosity effect too. Okay, I'm going to use both effect expression of this illustration image, and also I have this nice color of the whiskey. Okay, select both, then make group, duplicate this layer, flatten this image. Now I got the overlay effect layer fixed on one layer. Then now I'm gonna change, I'm gonna delete this one now. I don't need that. I'm gonna change this, turn it off. First of all, turn it off this overlay effect layer. Then I'm looking at overlay blend mode, change to luminosity. Then I'm gonna fix this image. Okay, duplicate this layer. This is luminosity effect layer. Now I'm gonna flatten this image. Okay. Then I'm gonna bring this one back to normal blend mode. Yeah, that's right. Okay, then I'm gonna get out of this group, then delete this group. Now we got the 4 images. Okay, I'm gonna rename 4 images. Now I got the 4 images, changed name. First, original image, pencil drawing type image, then luminosity effect layer, then overlay effect layer. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off, this original image and pencil drawing type image. Just turn it off. Okay, each layer has effect. This is overlay effect now. I want to see this effect, which I like the part of the color of the whiskey and label on this base image. So I want to make mask on this. Let's see. That's right. Okay, I just made mask, then invert mask. That's right, we are looking at luminosity effect layer. Invert mask. I'm going to reveal this with Bonobo chalk. Now I'm going to move this original image over luminosity effect layer, which is base image. Now I'm going to make mask, invert mask. Then what I like about this image is the reflection of the base, this around here. So I'm going to reveal this. Let's see now. This is the base. This is overlay effect. Now I want to add some colors on background. So I'm going to add layer on over this base image. Then let's use evolve. Which key color is gold? So complementary color around blue. I will make it pastel. Okay, I'm going to move back and forth with bonobo chalk and evolve, I think. Okay, I'm going to reveal this mask with evolve texture. Then review this mask, overlay effect. Yeah, mix up brushes, bonobo chalk and evolve. Now I want to add more color on here. Now I'm going to add some more color. Well, leave this one this way, and I want to add another layer, then change blend mode to, let's see, this time color. Then I'm going to choose no texture of the brush, just medium hard brush. Then I want to add, then this time, luminance, light brush. Okay, I want to see this line here. Okay, I guess that's it for today, and let's see. This is the base image, luminosity effect layer. I add color on normal blend mode. Just paint it on with the evolve and the bonobo chalk type image, and I add another color, blue color, add it with the blend mode is color, and this one is another one. Blend mode is same color, but I add yellowish with the brush is light brush. That's interesting brush. Then this is from original reflection, this area especially. Then overlay effect image is this inside the glass, whiskey color and a label, which is pretty nice label. Yeah, well, that's about it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.